Today, we're diving into the Rosslare AYC-Q64B Convertible Anti-Vandal Backlit 3x4 pin entry keypad. Designed for robust security applications, this keypad boasts a durable build that's suitable for various environments. Its anti-vandal design ensures resilience against tampering, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor installations. Connectivity is streamlined with Wi-Fi support, enhancing flexibility in deployment without the need for complex wiring. The wall mount capability ensures easy integration into existing setups, whether it's for residential or commercial use. The keypad's backlit feature provides visibility in low-light conditions, ensuring usability at any time of day. In terms of performance, the Rosslare AYC-Q64B doesn't disappoint. It offers a reliable pin entry system with a 3x4 layout, simplifying user interaction while maintaining security standards. Video capture resolution at 720p adds an extra layer of security, allowing for clear footage in case of any incidents. Overall, the Rosslare AYC-Q64B combines robust construction, easy installation, and reliable performance, making it a top choice for security-conscious consumers looking for a versatile keypad solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.